Now, class third B. This is class third B. GK. And date 15. So GK. Now GK last time we studied about the quiz first. Now today page number 40, being sensitive. Page number 40, being sensitive. So lessons 27. Lesson 27 and page number 40. Lesson name is being sensitive. Being sensitive. Being sensitive. And page number 40. So this lesson we are studying being sensitive means we should sensitive to the nature, to our friends, to the animals, and so on. So being sensitive towards other means being careful and thoughtful about what you will say or to which will affect others. So first one, be polite to everyone. Be polite to everyone. Be so polite to everyone. We have to politely talk with others. Our nature must be polite. So we should do activities. Our any activities may not harm the others. So be polite to everyone. Now next, don't laugh if someone falls down. Help him, her to get up. Don't laugh if someone fall down. Suppose you are going or your friend fall down. So what you should do? No need of laughing, but you have to help your friends. Anyone who fall down, try to help him to stand up. But don't laugh at the other when anyone fall down. Next, third, include new students as your friends in class. This is very important. Suppose in your class some newly admitted students coming, then you should help them to complete their work and play with the new students. Don't isolate the new students. Include new students as your friends in class. And next, never treat a poor person badly. Be kind and helpful. Never treat a poor person badly. Be kind and be helpful. So if some person is poor, so don't badly affect you. So never treat a poor person badly. You have to not bad treatment with the poor person, because God made everyone, everybody is made by the God. Poor person has no any will, so don't uh, badly treat a poor person, but you should kind and helpful. Be kind and helpful. Next, fifth, you see, don't treat someone rudely just because he is darker or the fairer in the complexion. God made all of us equal. If some person is dark in color or some person is fair, so in that situation you don't treat with others on the basis of the color of the face, because all the persons are made by the God. So the best way, now next one, don't tease anyone for being tall, fat, short or thin. You know, in your class many students may be tall, some students may be short, some students may be thin, while some students may be thick. Variations is there. Some are very tall, some are very small, some are very thin, while some are very thick. So in this way variations are there. So don't tease anyone. If someone is very tall, then you should not tease him. If someone is very fat, don't tease him as he is the fat or he is the. So the best way to be sensitive, put yourself in others' place. Now this is a very important thing. The best way to being sensitive, they written here, very important term, they written the best way, the best way to being sensitive, way to being sensitive. Put yourself in others' place, in others' place, and think how and think how he feels at your behavior, at your or words. This is a very, these are very important lines. Put yourself in others' place and think how she feel at your behavior or the words. You suppose you are teaching any the tall students, then keep yourself at the place of the tall students. What you are the feeling? If someone is teasing you at you are tall and you are tall in this way. So put yourself in others' place and think how he she feels at your behavior or the words. So next lesson is next time we will discuss about lesson 31 colorful phrases. So you once you, again you read at your the home and follow what is written in this book. So you should be sensitive to your the friends and the natures about what the plants, pets and the other persons of the society. Thank you. That's all.